are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Guess what showed up today at my door? The March box by Fashionsta. So they're calling this now the May box. But if you do not know, the box was very delayed, but for understandable reasons due to COVID-19. So yeah, I'm so excited here. So today we're gonna do an unboxing, and I did try on some of the items, and I just realized looking at the viewfinder I left my cat ears on, a headband I use when I do my makeup, but you know what, I think it's kind of cute. I'm just gonna roll with it. But before we get started, I just want to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here in our channel, so if you love subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, all that stuff, pretty much a little bit of everything, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and joined us. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers and currently have a giveaway going on. As a big thank you to you guys, my subscribers. If you have not yet entered, I will link the giveaway video at the end of this one. So yeah, let's get started. This is what the box looks like. It costs $24.99. I recently saw on their Instagram that they are not sending out a box for June. I mean, it's technically June now. We just got the box, what is it, June 5th today? But they will have a box ready for July. So if you guys want to subscribe and get the July box, I will leave a link down below. Did I say the price yet? $24.99. I actually pay $19.99. They raised their prices, but with that price increase, they also raised the value of the box. So open it up. This is what it looks like. The card is on top. And there is a note here, and then all of the items are listed on the back. So let's see what they say. It says, "Hey Glam Fam, we hope you're all safe and healthy. We endlessly express our gratitude for your patience and understanding during these times in our delayed shipment. COVID-19 has impacted our small business greatly, and we wholeheartedly appreciate your business and for being a part of our Fashionsta family. Good news, we're recalibrating and restructuring back to normalcy. We've decided to pause our June box to be certain we come back in July with the best and most amazing products for faster shipping and service. You will not be charged for June, and all subscriptions will resume in July. If you have prepaid months, your subscription will extend to the number of months you have prepaid. You are not charged for your April or May box, and we hope you enjoy these March, now technically May, goodies." Nice. And the retail value for this box is $140.50. So let's get started. How about we start with what I have on my face today? You guys, I think I might have found like my new favorite eyeshadow palette. I know, just first impressions, but this is by Glamlight, and I've never tried Glamlight before. And this is a Alondra Desi collaboration palette. And I'll be honest, I don't know who she is, but she did a great job creating this, and she is very pretty. Unfortunately, one of my shades did come broken. So the outside of the palette has like this velvety feel. It's already kind of dirty. And there is a mirror, and this is what the palette looks like. So you can see there is one broken shade there. But you guys, Glamlight is really as good as people hype it up to be. I absolutely love this. Before I get into the shades I use and all of that, insert clips, let's see what it says here. Well, I might start to insert clips while I'm reading this. This palette costs $38, and it says it contains 15 luxurious eyeshadows thoughtfully created by Alondra Desi. There are 8 intensely pigmented mattes that blend like a dream, 3 ultra-dazzling diamond shimmers, 1 dynamic duochrome shade, and 3 creamy shimmers. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and allergy tested. So I absolutely love this, like I've already alluded to. The mattes blended out so well. I think this color story is just so me, and I cannot wait to use it more. Like, it's a bummer that the shade Selena is broken. I'm gonna press it. If you guys have any tips on how to like properly press a shadow, please let me know. I've kind of done in the past, but I didn't do it like officially. It's kind of literally like used a brush and pressed it back in. So some of the colors of that got into the other shades, but I was able to get swatches. So first I went in with the shade Jalisco, all in my crease, and then I went in with Boss Babe and like did put that in my outer V. And then I went in with the shimmers. I think the shimmers are by far my favorites, but their mattes are great too. They blended like a dream, like they said. Did I just quote that? Yeah, they did say that. So I first went in with Inner Beauty on the outer portion of my eyelid. And they do work well with a brush, but I found that with a finger, it's really easy to apply and there's no fallout. And then I went in with the shade Bougie. I love that there's a shade called Bougie. I use that word all the time. And then I put a little bit of pop in the middle of my lid and that duochrome shade Lit in my inner corners. And I absolutely love the look I came out with today. I cannot wait to keep using this palette. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I just like want to use this every day. I'm so happy with this. Seriously, this palette makes this so worth the wait, even though I know the reasons why we waited for this box, like, you know, understandable, but I'm so happy. I think I recently was watching someone do like one of those eye palette shadow tags, you know, that have been going around, and they love this palette. I can't remember who, maybe like Amy Loves Makeup or something like that, but yeah, I totally get it. This palette is amazing. I'm so happy. And this costs more than the price that I paid for this box, so hell yeah, I love it. There's only one other item I tried on today, and it is the lipstick I have on. I did apply a gloss after it. So this is by Emily Alexandra Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, and it's Coral Reef. It's water resistant and matte lipstick, and it contains sunscreen as well. So this costs $18, and on here it says it's vegan and cruelty free, ocean friendly, water resistant, and sunscreen ingredients, keeping your lips hydrated and happy. So when I first applied this, it looked very orange. I wasn't sure how I felt about it, and I should have exfoliated my lips. I feel like it really did accentuate any dryness I had. So I think the way it looks is really cool. It actually looks like a mermaid, and there's like a little mermaid imprint on the outside of the packaging. And the way it is made, it's kind of tilted. It's a little bit like the shape of it, so you can like line your lips easily. So it went on really well. Yeah, it's a little orange, like it's coral, like, but I feel like it's more orange than some other corals I've tried. But I actually do like it. I just feel like I wish I exfoliated my lips. I did put on a gloss that has just a teeny bit of pigment. This is by Floss. It's their shade Lax, and I like how it looks with that. And my lips look more moisturized now, and I think it does go with the eye look pretty well. I'm not sure how often I will use this, but I like layering lipsticks and stuff, so I will continue to use it and see what it works with. So now let's move on to the items I did not try. So it looks like we have like a sheet mask set here. This is what it looks like. This is by Double Dare. We've received items from them in past Fashionsta boxes, or the box by Fashionsta. So this is their Jet Super Hydrating Mask Kit, and there are 2 steps to it. So the step 1 is a soothing microfiber towelette, and it's made with aloe, tea tree, and pomegranate. So that is supposed to be soothing, moisturizing, and detoxing. And step 2 is a super hydrating soothing mask, and this is made with cactus fruit, rose hip, and hyaluronic acid, and it is soothing, moisturizing, and detoxing as well. And on the back it tells you a little bit more about it. A convenient 2-in-1 kit will instantly soothe and moisturize the skin during traveling, protecting the skin from temperature change. Infused with super antioxidants such as cactus fruit and rosehip, the jet mask will keep skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. Lava water detoxifies and draws out impurities while elevating moisture level in the skin. So there's the back that talks about the ingredients. And this 2-in-1 soothing mask kit has a retail value of $9. There's one more item by Double Dare, and this is great they put this in. This is their Bye Bye Germs Oh My God hand sanitizer gel. And this is 1.7 ounces. It has ethyl alcohol 62%, says it kills 99.9% of germs, and we could all use more hand sanitizer. It's been hard to come by these days. This is a retail value of $5.50. And it says it kills 99.9% of germs and meets the CDC's requirement of 60% ethanol alcohol. Gels are advised to be used on hands when there's no water or soap available, and this is FDA registered. Great, I could always use more, we all could. 2 items remaining. The next is by Shivani Beauty. I'm not sure I've heard of that brand. The Marvel Elixir. This is Marajuka infused primer oil. Very shiny packaging. So wow, this elixir has a $54 retail value, and it says this is multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and a beauty oil. Its fast absorbing and lightweight properties assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful looking skin for a hydrated, radiant, and flawless complexion. It's vegan, cruelty free, and made in the USA. I like this packaging. You know, I'm all about skincare, so I will look into this. It says directions: shake well before use and apply to face and neck daily and night. You can use it under makeup, mixed with makeup, or without makeup daily as a skincare regimen for a flawless, luminous complexion. So let's put a little bit on my hand. So if you guys are new to my videos, I like to review my products at the end of the month after. So like, for example, there won't be a June box, but in July I'll do an unboxing and a try on, and then at the end of the video I will review these products. So there's a little dropper. Oh, I think I hear a cat coughing up a hairball. Are you okay, baby? This feels really nice. But hold on, I gotta go check on my cat. They all seemed fine once I went to investigate. Oh, hi Archer. Anyways, you guys, that felt really nice. You can kind of tell the difference between my two hands. That one's more moisturized. So yeah, I love face oils, and I will definitely try this out and keep you guys updated. And this is, it looks really big. It's 1 fluid ounce. It's like a standard size for like a serum or oil. So I really like how it looks. So I'll put this in my bathroom. I have this, like when I'm using it on display, it looks really cute. But let's talk about the last item in the box. This is the packaging. And what is this? This is by Herbal Dynamics Beauty, and it's their Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water, and has a retail value of $16. So this is made with water lily, vitamin B5, and cucumber extract. And you just use this like any other micellar water. Apply to a cotton ball or pad and gently sweep over skin to remove oils, dirt, and makeup. No need to rinse. Can be used as a toner or a one-step cleanser. Usually the way I use micellar waters is like to remove makeup swatches sometimes, or to be like the first step in my double cleanse, so to remove my makeup. It says it's a one-step cleanser, but I recommend if you're using it as a makeup remover to wash afterwards, but do as you please. This is big, 4 ounces or 118 milliliters. So gently and effectively cleanse your skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion brightening micellar solution. So it says the same thing that is on the label, and it also states here that it's cruelty-free, sulfate, paraben, and phthalate-free. So I can always use more of this, and I think this is definitely a better alternative opposed to makeup wipes. You guys, I think this box is great. I'm so happy that Fashionsta is back up and running. By far my favorite item so far, based on first impressions, is this Glamlight Alondra Desi palette. I keep forgetting her name. I keep thinking like Desi Perkins, but Alondra Desi. I'll have to look into her because she did a great job. But yeah, I'm excited to use everything in here. I think this is great. The lipstick at first I wasn't thrilled about, but when I got up I just looked in the mirror quickly when I was checking on my cats, and I do like how it looks. So yeah, I would love to hear your opinions down below. I am super happy with it. I love the look I created today. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!